I'm on the phone with Bonnet, and I'm like, and maybe I grab another chair. Can you grab a chair with your long arms over there, Bonnet? And we'll just do this real quick, okay? So now Bonnet, I told you guys yesterday, Bonnet is an aberration. So I don't even know if this will work on most of you, but so so Bonnet, I know this Cardone dude, and how much is your that Cardone University thing?
I'm glad you asked. It's actually free right now because you actually haven't taken a look at it. So right now it costs you nothing.
Yeah, but I mean, when I buy it for the company, what's it going to cost me?
Right now? Great question. So for you, it's for over the next 3 years, it's going to cost you $60,000. But for you right now, it's going to be free because you haven't seen anything yet.
Okay, but the 60 grand, dude. Can you guys do better than that?
Of course.
What can you do for me?
I'll do anything you need. But right now, I don't have enough information, actually, Grant, to sell you the program.
Yeah.
So before I get into actually getting you on the program, let me ask you. What's one thing right now? Because I
follow up, man. I need follow up.
Dude, I love follow up. I love follow up. Why do you say follow up?
Because my guys don't follow up. I got 20 guys. They don't follow up. They don't know what to say. This dude over here thinks, I got Miguel. He thinks he's a great closer. He thinks he's the closing Arnold Schwarzenegger of the universe, and he doesn't follow anybody up. He just wants me to advertise.
So that's a great.
Leads are bad.
I'm glad that you asked that. 95% of our clients say the exact same thing. So let me ask you this. Let's get down to numbers.
Yeah.
So what is it actually costing you right now inside your business for your people not following up every day?
Oh, millions.
Why do you say millions?
Well, because I spend money advertising. The lead comes in. They don't do anything with it. They tell me the lead sucks. Nobody's calling them back.
Okay. So we actually have a game plan in place right now inside of our program that will teach your people to follow up with any unsold client, whether it's a sold client, unsold client. Yeah. And the great thing about it, it's only going to cost them a minute a day to actually go in to follow up with any of your clients. But before I do that, let me ask you this. Other than follow up, now I want to find out if there's more than just follow up he has attention on. Other than follow-up, is there anything else other than follow-up that's costing you money in your business?
If I could just solve this one problem.
Okay, good. So my intention right now, okay, is to get you inside our program and literally take a few minutes with you to show you how I can solve that problem for you. Because let's face it, it's costing you millions of dollars right now inside your business, and all I'm asking is for $60,000.
Yeah, I don't have time to do that right now.
No, I'm with you. And you're right. You don't have time. A guy like you, you're busy.
Yeah.
And you don't have time. You got papers on your desk.
Yeah.
You got a lot going on. Listen, I get it, Grant. Grant, let me ask you. Do you have 30 seconds right now?
Not right now. I really don't even have 30 seconds.
No, I know. Let me do this for you. One more thing.
Yeah.
If you can't do it for you, would you do it for me?
Pretty good, man. So like, you know, when Mike came, how long have you been working with it?
Almost 4 years.
Yeah, so did you know this material when you came here?
No, not even close.
How'd you learn it, Mike?
Cardone University every day. It's mandatory in our company that we do 6 segments every single morning, Monday through Friday. And if we don't have a job. So we stay in ethics in our organization. So like when we run around here, we try to get you guys on the program. It's not just us closing you. It's we are the product.
Yeah.
All of us around here.
Yeah.
So like I didn't know how to handle objections. I didn't know anything about it.
What were you doing before you came to work here?
I worked in the electrical distribution space in Kansas City.
Whatever that means. I don't even know what that means. Does anybody in the room know what that means? Okay. Were you selling stuff?
Of course.
Oh, you.
But I wasn't.
How much money were you making?
About 110 grand.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. He'll make 8 times that this year.
Yeah, I'm on track to probably do about 800K this year.
You're awesome, dude. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Come on now. If any of you need help, let me know. Let's roll.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you.